How to subscribe someone on Instagram. To subscribe a creator on Instagram, you need to follow up the steps. So first of all, head over to Instagram application, open it up and log in into your account, and you need to visit their profile and tap on the subscribe button in order to do so. So just go ahead and locate up the creator's profile, go to the search bar, and you may search for the profile that you prefer. For example, this profile right here. So if the creator has subscriptions enabled, you will be finding a subscribe button on their profile right beside the message icon. So just go ahead and tap on it and subscribe their channel, their Instagram. So again, look out for this offers subscribe. So it is 2.99 monthly dollar. So if you want to look for more contents, you can just go ahead and look out for the subscribe option. Just go ahead and click on it and confirm your subscription and follow any prompts on the screen. And you will be getting access to the creators exclusive content, which will be visible in your feed or through the exclusive content tab on the creator's profile. So this is how you basically subscribe someone on Instagram. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.